Hey, no, I did it wrong. Oh, ow. Hi. Oh, you probably don't know me, though my name's Sabrel. I forgot the rest of the thing. You probably don't know me. Hello, new viewer. How do I know you're a new viewer? Lucky guess. As you already know, I'm gonna cut my hair. And yep, it's quarantine. Been stuck at home doing nothing but being watching Netflix week after week after week after week. And well, after watching Avatar and cut his hair in season 3, I feel a little inspired. So this is how my hair looks right now. Not its best. Here goes.
Okay, so we have it parted like this, all the way down the back. Now that we have that, we're going to then section out each of those slices into 2 more sections. So we're going to go to the top of the head, and you're going to lay your comb on there, and you're going to find where the apex is.
Okay. Apex. Right here. Got it. That looks about right. Alright, so what I'm going to do is tie one half on the back, so it doesn't like mix with the rest.
Like, look in the mirror and figure out where you want your hair to land. If it's like right here, just mark it with your fingers and remember that spot. We're gonna take one of our elastics, we're gonna comb it together in our hands, and we're gonna make a little ponytail right where we want our hair cut. Make sure you're not directing the hair forward like this, okay? You want it to be right on the shoulder. So if your shoulders were there, it'd be like this.
Okay, that looks about right. Oof. Alright. Okay. Oh my gosh, I should probably not be doing this by myself.
It would be nice if you had a friend there to help, or a mother, or a father, or anything. Just anybody, a dog, I don't know.
Brad Mondo, why do you make it seem so easy? Why am I having, this is just like this first beginning part. It's not even like the hardest part, which is cutting.
20 minutes later.
I know, does this look even?
We're gonna take that section and we're gonna start point cutting. You can also point cut downward, upwards like this, or downwards like this. Okay? It doesn't matter. It's the same either way.
Alright, I'm back. Okay, I'm nervous. Okay. Whew. Here goes. I'm scared. Ready? I'm really cutting my hair. Oh my gosh. I can't even cut. Okay. Sorry if you can't see me. I'm trying to do it over the sink. Now I didn't do it right at the you probably can't even see that. At the hair tie, just because I'd rather leave it long, a little longer than too short. I don't even know. Okay. Next one. Okay, I'm fixing a little bit more because I feel like it has a lot on one side. Oof, okay. Now, the back. Bro, you got this. You got this. So what I'm gonna do, because I have so much hair, I'm gonna cut it like that, up to there. Just because it's longer and I can just cut that off and I'll do it how he said. As in, I'm gonna cut it straight. And then I'll fix it. I hope my mama doesn't kill me. Alright, last bit. I'm gonna do the same thing, honestly. Oh my god, I cut it right. I cut it. Okay. You know what? I'll fix it. Okay. I did that. Whew. I'm nervous to see how it comes out. Hey, I just did something. Remember our deal that if you shaved, I will cut my hair?
Yeah, that's right.
You want to see it?
Okay. I mean, so I got hair up here, so chill. I think it's short. Get out of here.
Huh?
I thought it was short.
What do you? It's short.
You said you would cut it like right here.
I said right here. Oh my gosh.
It's not short.
Oh no, tell me how it looks in the back, because I don't even know how it looks in the back.
You cut your own hair?
Yeah.
Why'd you cut your own hair?
Are you ready to see it or not?
Go.
Bad?
More sideways.
Huh?
More left. One more left. I mean, it's not that bad.
Do I need to fix it up?
Kind of, yeah. But I mean, like, let someone else fix it up.
Huh?
Let someone else fix it up.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell my mom. I have to go pick her up right now, actually. But I'm gonna go tell her. Can you do that face again, please?
You're about to go tell your mom. Alright, you know.
Close your eyes. You're not closing your eyes.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué? ¿Quién se lo cortó? ¿Quién te lo cortó?
I cut it myself.
Condenada, ¿y cómo hiciste?
I follow, look, I'm filming you because I did a YouTube. Brad Mondo's, how to cut my hair, like how to cut your hair. Y lo hice.
Te quedó bonito, fíjate, cabrón.
There you have it. Cut my own hair, and I'm into it at the moment, but I do have to fix it up, as I said. If this video made you go at least once or twice, please do not hesitate to like and subscribe, and I promise you I'll make you do those same expressions again soon. Alright, see ya. Bye.